Hi, my name is Sarah. I was a statistics major coming out of the class of 2019. I am now a data scientist at Facebook, where I'm on the Instagram Civic Integrity and Engagement team. I came to statistics because I used to work on political campaigns, and I even took time off of college to work on them. But almost every campaign I worked on lost, and so I really wanted to be able to figure out why that kept happening, but I realized I needed more tools in my toolkit to be able to answer questions for myself. So I came to statistics, and I've really found it to be a license to be curious and a great way to make sure you have the right set of tools to answer questions that you care about, no matter what the domain is. I'm very happy that I happen to work in a domain I care a lot about. I mentioned I care a lot about elections. Now I work on at Instagram, where I'm trying to help 160 million Instagram users vote. And as a data scientist, it's really my job to test hypotheses, see what's working, test why not. And you're really sort of the go-to authority figure for figuring a lot of that stuff out. So I'm incredibly happy with it, and I think you should check out statistics.
Thank you for considering a degree in statistical science. I'm Professor Jerry Ryder, Chair of the Department of Statistical Science. You might be thinking, why should I get a degree in statistics? Well, being a statistician is like being a scientific detective. We have some real-world question with an answer hidden in data, and we use mathematics, computing, science, communication, and creativity to find that answer. And our methods apply to just about every field. So you get to learn about fascinating topics from disciplines across the university. Now, here at Duke, we offer multiple degrees in statistical science, including the BS, the BA, minor, as well as options for concentrating your studies in data science and mathematical statistics. We also offer opportunities for students to get involved in research projects. And we're small enough that you can get to know the professors really well, which can open lots of doors, not only to research projects, but also to great internships and careers, as well as graduate study. I invite you to check out our program.
Hello, my name is Amy Herring, and I'm the Director of Undergraduate Studies in Statistical Science. Now that you've heard a little about the major, you may be curious about what's involved. In terms of coursework, we have a core of 5 courses that cover concepts of linear models, probability theory, statistical inference, Bayesian statistical inference, and we culminate the experience with a capstone course, Case Studies in Statistical Science. The major also involves 3 statistics electives, and if you're choosing to do a Bachelor of Science degree, you'll need 1 additional quantitative elective in a department other than statistics that either builds on the knowledge that you've used or augments what you've learned in some way. There's a list of all the courses involved, as well as options for the additional elective called the Applied Elective, on our website for the department. Prerequisites include calculus through multivariable calculus, linear algebra, and Comp Sci 101 or the equivalent. Many of our students do research as part of their degree. In fact, we will count up to 1 independent study towards the major, and very often this is honors research for a student. Now, how do you get started in the major? Well, generally students come into the major through one of 2 paths. The first path would be through a course like Stat 199, Intro to Data Science. I call this the applied door into the discipline. You'll learn a lot about hands-on data analysis, get some really wonderful coding skills, and we strongly encourage students to start here because it helps get them skills they might want to use for summer internship or job. Stat 199 is not part of the major core, but it is allowed to count as one of your 3 statistics electives, and Stat 199 or the closely related 198, Intro to Health Data Science, are our only 100-level courses that count for the major. The other doorway into our major is the theory door, probability theory. And Duke teaches 3 versions of that: Stat 230, Stat 231, and Stat 240. So Stat 240 was designed specifically for statistics majors, but Stat 230 is offered at many different times in a semester, multiple sections by the math department, and 231 is a great course if you want an advanced introduction to probability theory. If you have any questions about the major or its requirements or just want to talk more, please feel free to reach out to me or to Dr. Joan Durso, who's our undergraduate coordinator. Thanks.
Hi everyone, thank you for watching the video. Whether or not you want to be a statistics major, we want to keep connected with you. So to be kept in the loop of all new statistical science and data science events at Duke, join the Statistical Science Majors Union. And how do you do that? All you have to do is to go onto Duke Groups, search Duke Statistical Science Majors Union, and click Join Group. And with one click, you'll be part of us. We look forward to seeing you at our next event. See you!